Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the Onesie Mockup with painted wood backgrounds in Pixlr. First go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com. It'll give you a couple of options. We'll click the Pixlr X one and then click on the Open Image button on the left hand side. And then just find one of the JPEG mockup images that you want to use and click choose. It'll ask if you want to size it down. We don't really want to do that. We'll just click original and then click apply to open up the full-size mockup. And then to add your design, you want to click on this icon with the image with the little mountains. It says add image when you hover over it, and then click on browse. We'll find the design. It'll ask us if we want to create a new document or add the image to the current. We'll click add current. You might need to resize your design. To do that, hold down the shift key to keep it proportional and then click and drag any of the four corners. And once you've got it sized about right, hover over it and you'll see this tool with the four arrows, the move tool. Once you see that, you can just click and drag the design into place. To make it look a little more natural, you might want to change the blend mode to multiply. To do that, click the icon with the three dots in the layer with your image. That'll open up the layer menu, and then you can click the drop down menu underneath blend mode and change none to multiply. And now you see it'll show through a little bit of the texture underneath your design, making it look more like the image is actually on the onesie. And that's all there is to adding your design to the painted wood version of the Onesie Mockup in Pixlr. Now you just need to save it. To do that, click the Save button at the bottom here. If you're going to use this online as a thumbnail, like on Etsy, you'll want to save a JPEG version. So we'll choose the JPG option and then change the quality to 100 and leave it on high, and then click download. And it'll just let us know that the image was saved to the default download folder, and it'll give you the option to change where that folder is if you want to do that. You can also save a layered Pixlr document by going back here again and clicking save again, and then this time clicking PXD and clicking download again. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.